Hello everyone. In the last video, we have derived the relationship between the dry unit weight and bulk unit weight and water content. So in this video, we'll be deriving one more formula, that is dry unit weight in terms of percentage air voids. Dry unit weight in terms of percentage air voids. So first the relationship I will be writing, later I will be deriving. So gamma d is equal to 1 minus Na gs gamma w by 1 plus gsw. So gamma d is equal to 1 minus n suffix a, small n suffix a. This is nothing but percentage air voids. So this is a bit lengthy process, but carefully you listen. So percentage air voids, I know percentage air voids is equal to volume of air to the total volume, Now I am adding plus 1 on both sides. Okay. Adding plus 1 on both sides. So 1 minus percentage air voids is equal to this will be nothing but total volume. So I am taking LCM. So if I take LCM, this total volume will come here. This total volume will be nothing but volume of air plus volume of water plus volume of solids, volume of air plus volume of water plus volume of solids minus volume of air voids. Anyway, it will be there. So this is get cancelled out and this will be get cancelled out. And this will be get cancelled out. So 1 minus Na is equal to VW plus Vs divided by VW. So volume of water plus volume of soil solids divided by capital V. So here, so Gs is equal to, we know, gamma s by gamma w. That gamma s by gamma w also we can write Ws by Vs gamma w. From this Vs is equal to Ws by Gs gamma w. So I can write Vs is equal to Ws by Gs gamma w in place of Vs. So and also so unit weight of water is equal to weight of water to the volume of water, Now volume of water is equal to weight of water by gamma w. This anyway we can write. And also weight of water is also equal to water content into weight of solids, since water content is equal to weight of water to the weight of solids. So weight of water, in place of weight of water we can write water content into weight of solids, this gamma w, here it will be gamma w. So finally my intention is to write volume of solids in terms of this specific gravity, weight of solids in the gamma w. In the same way, volume of water also in terms of water content, weight of solids and gamma w. So these two, volume of solids and this volume of water, I'll be keeping here. Then this will become 1 minus Na is equal to 1 minus Na is equal to, in place of volume of water we can write water content into Ws by gamma W. Water content into Ws divided by gamma W. Ws divided by gamma W. Plus in place of volume of solids we can write Ws by Gs into gamma W. Ws by Gs into gamma W. Anyway, whole divided by total volume. It is already there. So the next step will be 1 minus Na is equal to 1 minus Na is equal to. So this volume I am giving to here as well as here. So water content into Ws by V. Ws by V. Here gamma W it is there. Plus 1 by Gs gamma W into Ws by V. Ws by V. So this Ws by V is nothing but gamma D. This Ws by V is nothing but gamma D. So in place of Ws by V I can write gamma D. Now our formula will become 1 minus Na is equal to water content divided by gamma W into gamma D plus gamma D by Gs into gamma W. Gamma D by Gs into gamma W. If you carefully observe, we can take common gamma D by gamma W here as well as here also. So our formula will become 1 minus Na is equal to gamma D by gamma W into, here if you take gamma W as common, water content here it will be present, plus 1 divided by Gs will be present. So I am just taking the LCM in the right hand side part. So Gs will be the LCM. So Gs into W plus 1. Gs into W plus 1. So I'm just keeping gamma D in the right side portion and I will be sending all these things to the left side portion. Now how it will become? Now our formula will become 1 minus Na into this gamma D I will be sending here and Gs also I will be sending here. Gamma W into Gs. These two I have sent and this one also I will be sending, divided by 1 plus Gs into water content, that is equal to gamma D. So we have derived gamma D is equal to 1 minus Na Gs gamma W by 1 plus GSW, 1 and the same. So we have just taken percentage air voids and we have derived this formula 1 minus Na Gs gamma W by 1 plus GSW. So this is the derivation. So if you feel the content is useful, please like and subscribe for my YouTube channel. Thank you.